Ever feel lost when working with too many Excel sheets? Imagine scrolling endlessly just to find the right tab. Frustrating, right? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to jump between sheets in seconds, and once you learn this, you'll never waste time again. Okay, let's jump in. Here, I have a workbook with 8 sheets, January to December sales. Each sheet contains product names in column A, sales quantity in column B, and revenue in column C. Normally, you might click the tiny arrows at the bottom to scroll left and right through the sheets. But when you have 20 or 30 sheets, this becomes painful. Here's the faster way. Simply right-click on the navigation arrows at the bottom left corner of Excel. This will instantly open a pop-up list of all your sheets. Now, just click on the sheet you want. Say, December sales. And Excel will take you there instantly. If you're juggling dozens of sheets, don't stick with boring names like Sheet 1 or Sheet 2. Give them clear names instead, like January sales, February sales, etc. That way, when you right-click to view all sheets, you can jump to exactly the one you need without confusion. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.